Hey gang, thanks for stopping by. The 70 Dodge Challenger RT, she's finally done, boys and girls. Overall turned out pretty good. I had one problem at the end we'll get to in a minute here, and other than that it wasn't a bad kit for an AMT. You can build it two ways. You can build it with the hardtop on it, or you can build it as a convertible. I'll probably mount it in the case as a hard top because I kind of like that look better than I am a convertible guy. But anyway, overall kit wasn't too bad. We'll get to that issue I had right at the very end, and of course you don't run across that until the end. Paint turned out good. I'm really happy with the paint job on it. Got the Steve Zimmerman wheels on. Got the stance pretty close to where I want it, and as I mentioned in my previous videos, the chrome was so crappy on this kit that I de-chromed the front and rear bumper and tail panel on it, and decided to paint it body color, so it actually didn't turn out too bad looking. Of course I glued the air cleaner on last because I wanted it to line up with the hood on. So that was one of the last things that we did, and we'll give you a spin around and let you have a gander at different angles here. Hang on one sec. We got the front. Actually, I like it with the body colored bumpers on it. I kind of like that actually. I might do that more often. So the side, we'll swing you around to the back. Hang on. And we'll tell you the problem that I had on the back. This kit, I don't know if you guys have, any of you other guys have built this thing, but this lower panel that runs right along the lower bumper fascia here, this filler panel, I don't know what kit it's supposed to fit, but it sure don't fit this car. And it was the one that came in the box. It actually was a lot wider. If you take, there was a curve here at each end where it wrapped around to meet the rear quarter panel on each side. So what I actually had to do was cut off that wraparound with my side cutters, and then of course file down the back side to get it smooth, so that panel doesn't have the little wraparound sections at each end anymore. That was the only way that I could get that thing to fit in behind the bumperettes that used to be chrome that are now painted body color. And of course I didn't find that out till I was basically finished, just before I put the exhaust tips on, was this filler panel. Man, oh man, oh man. Nothing like getting to the end of a build and you run into a roadblock. Anyway, we overcame that. Turned out all right, actually. We'll swing you around, and I got my light in my face, so hang on one sec, guys. Yeah, we're gonna go up here. Hold on. Let me get the hood off. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you with the convertible top. Hang on. All right, if it was a convertible, top down, hood back on. Not too bad looking, actually. Hang on. Some more light on this. There you go. It's actually not bad as a convertible, if you like convertibles. Anyway, take that off. Whoops, look out. Top back on. Hood off. So basically, just what I did with the Molotow is I just went around the door handles. Used a toothpick and in one of my little, and a drop of Molotow in one of my little paint cups in the bottom of a pop can. Had a drop in there, and then basically just take the toothpick and dab it in the Molotow. Hit it a couple of times on a blank spot off to the side to get some of the Molotow off, and then just basically just really carefully go over the outline in the Charger emblem. So that actually worked out pretty good. Same thing I did with the with the hood locks and the hood emblem, just with the end of a toothpick and just a little dab, and just do it real careful and smooth. Motor turned out good. Hang on, we're going up. Hold on. Up. And then we're going down. Yeah, watch the camera fall over a little bit. There it goes. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Is he going to zoom the right way? I don't know. Of course not. Oh my God. Now, we'll focus. Are you going to focus? Yep. Motor turned out good. One of the final things I had to do, of course, was glue my fan belt water pump pulley on there. And yeah, it turned out pretty good, boys and girls. I'm happy with it overall. AMT can be a challenging kit to build. Interior, hold on. You guys saw the interior in the previous video. Did embossing powder on the carpet again. Did a little bit of simulated woodwork on the center console to complement the dash. Bit on the door panels. Got my seat belts inside there that I make as well. Yeah, it was a good kick, boys and girls. Now what's going to be next? Don't know. Haven't thought about that. We'll get you guys up to speed. Watch me zoom the wrong way. Holy cow, I did it right. Holy crap. We'll get you up to speed in the next week or so on what the next build's going to be. Got a few in my stash. And we'll have to give that some serious thought over the next few days. But overall, it was pretty good. All right, boys and girls, that's it for now. Thanks for stopping by again, and we'll talk to you real soon. See ya.